Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, you can reheat Alfredo pasta in a microwave. Place the pasta in a microwave-safe dish. Add a splash of milk or cream. Then cover loosely with a microwave-safe lid or plastic wrap. Heat on medium power in 30-second increments, stirring in between, until fully warmed. This keeps the sauce from separating.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.